on, Annie.
And on the TP, it has like 3 little lines sticking up, and those represent our tribes. The Warm Springs tribe, the Wasco tribe, and the Paiute tribe. And then there's 2 little lines right down here that represent the 2 rivers that we have. One's the Warm Springs River and one's the Shute River. And so what we have here is the power and the weapon that we're going to use to break it and open it and let the spirit out. And so it is made out of willow tree and juniper tree, and together it takes the power and to be able to break it and let the spirit out of the Ganesh Kahin that we have here. And it's just made out of sugar, flour, and water, out of that. And what you're going to do is work for it. So we're going to grab this. So go ahead and pull it all, grab it and put it together. Just grab it and pull it all up. Put it all together. And you're going to bang it really, really hard around it. And bang really hard. Just get it, put it up and go like that. And you got 2 spoons while you're doing that.
Nice.
You're gonna get bruised up yet, huh? Okay, see what we have. Okay, we have enough.
Oh, look at
You're
that
going home
guy.
bruised, aren't you?
Wow.
Chicken. There's a chicken in the egg, bud. See it.
And what we have here is the huckleberry sauce. You let it dip in there. And to have with it. And it's stuffed also with rice. And I'll let you guys split it. And you get to keep the